So you want to know how to make $100 per day with Google Maps. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step on how you'll be able to do this. And with this strategy, we're going to help businesses to get seen. Now, I don't care what business you are building, whether it's online or offline, you need your business to be seen more so that way more people are inquiring about your business and your services. Also, it will help you to increase the amount of people coming to your website, buying your services, so that way you are actually earning more every single month. And there are a lot of business out here who are struggling right now, and they just don't understand that something as simple as what I'm going to show you in this video can actually help them to earn more with their business. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me show you how you can make $100 per day with Google Maps. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Google Maps. So go to google.com, insert Google Maps, and it will bring you here. Now, what we want to do is we want to find a major city. Now, the beauty part about this strategy is that it's not just limited to where you currently live. You can do this anywhere around the world pretty much. But what you want to do is you want to find a major city. So right now we're looking at a city right now. This is Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And what we want to do is we want to tackle cities and towns or smaller towns that are around, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, in order to do this strategy. So as we can see here, this is Fort Lauderdale, and right here is Plantation. So what I want to do is I want to find small businesses located in Plantation, Florida, similar to chiropractors, electricians, plumbers, beauty salons, and things like that. And what I want to do is I want to help them improve their Google rankings. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert plumbers near Plantation, Florida. And as you can see here, we have an extensive list of different plumbers that are showing up. Now, what we want to do is we want to help businesses that are not showing up with full business profiles on Google, and we want to help them with their rankings. Now, the reason why we want to do this is because think about anytime you go to Google in order to search for a restaurant or something like that. If you would kind of look at the initial listings that show up, like the first 1 to 5 searches that come up, anything past that, you probably are not even going to open up their website. You probably won't even check them out, especially if they are listed and they don't have any type of reviews. They don't have a phone number listed or anything like that. You will probably not click on that particular link to learn more information about that restaurant or whatever it is that you are wanting to know more information about. So what we want to do is we want to help small businesses to rank their business profile higher in the search engines, so that way they are seen more and more people will actually inquire about their business and services. So we can see here, like, a good business profile will have their full name, they'll have reviews, they'll include their address, their hours of operation, their telephone number, and things like that. So let's click on an example of a company that's actually doing this correctly. So let's click on Rapid Router, and as you can see here, they have a picture of like their van. They also have the address listed of where they're located. They have their hours of operation. They have a website, their telephone number, and as you can see here, they're actually claimed by Google. They have claimed their business on Google, and they also have additional pictures here, and then they have reviews as well. So that's an example of a company that's doing it right. What we want to do, again, we want to find companies that are not executing this fully, and again, it's possibly hurting their sales by them not doing this one thing. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. So if we click on this one right here, and we can see it's Plantation, Florida plumber, let's click on this one here. We can see the picture is just a picture of some cars. They have their address, they have a website here, they have a phone number, but you can see right here, claim this business. They are not currently claimed on Google right now. So what we can do is is we can reach out to these companies and offer to claim their business for them or walk them through the process of claiming their business. Now, with this particular service, you can charge them to actually do it for them, or you can walk them through the process, and I'm going to show you the benefits of both. So if you offer this service as a free service where you can just actually walk them through this particular service and show them how to claim their business, what you can do is you're actually leading with value. You're giving away something for free in order to get something in exchange. So by you claiming their business for them and walking them through the process, you can also offer them additional services if they are available, right? So what you want to do is you'll come over here to Google, and what you can do is just Google claim your business on Google, and it will bring you here. And you can walk through this with them step by step, showing them or letting them know how to claim their business. And once they have inserted their information, they will receive a verification code through phone or through mail. And what they'll have to do is just take that verification code and verify the business. And that's how they'll actually claim their business. Now, also a part of this as well is they need to have pictures available. So right here we can see the pictures that they have are just pictures of cars. We want to show them updated pictures of the actual business, the actual location, and things like that. So you can also tell the business owner to send you pictures of the actual company, the staff, and things like that. So that way you can add that information here to their profile here on Google. Now, you also have the option to where you can actually charge for this service. So while I was doing research on this particular topic on YouTube, another YouTuber mentioned this video right here. And on here, he's actually showing how he's actually charging for these services. So to claim a business, he's charging businesses $20 for this service. And for him to add pictures, he's also charging $15. So think about if you just simply went and just claimed businesses for other companies, you can just do 5 of these per day and you can earn $100 per day with this strategy, right? Or like how I mentioned, you can actually do this strategy here where you can charge the companies to claim their business, or even if you were to offer this service for free, claiming the business and adding pictures, you can come on the back end and offer these particular services. So how would you know that a company needs a website and SEO rankings and things like that? Well, we go back to our example here for Plantation Plumber. We can see here they have a website. So let's open up their website. So we can see the website is fully loaded. It looks a little bit outdated. We can see some of the images aren't even showing up. We can also see that their website is not secure. So we can offer them a service of a SSL certificate. You can also offer the service of an updated website that is more responsive and things like that, because people actually pay attention to things like this, right? So how would you contact these businesses? So with this particular business right here, they have their number listed here. So you can call their number. And then also if some of them that they do offer a website, go to their contact information, and you can see here they also have an email address. So you can call them or you can send them an email and let them know that you actually help businesses to increase their rankings by helping them to optimize their business profile on Google, so that way they can actually get more leads and things like that to their business. And let them know that they could be potentially losing out on a lot of money every single month simply by not having this in place. And from that point on, again, you can charge them to claim their business, or you can actually walk them through for free, showing them how to claim their business, so that way they can actually show up higher in the search engines. This is all going to be important. Just let them know the information on how you can actually help them with their business. Now, if you're watching this right now and you're thinking to yourself, well, hey, I don't know how to build a website, and this seems like a really valid strategy, but I just don't have the time to do this. Well, I'm going to show you something that's going to really help you. So what you can do is you can do what we call is drop servicing. It's similar to drop shipping, to where we actually find people who are actually offering these services, and what we do is we will charge the actual client more money so we can earn profit. So again, similar to drop shipping, we can go to websites like AliExpress. We can find a pair of shoes that are being sold for $15. We can go on our website, add those shoes to our Shopify store or whatever, charge $45, and then we'll pay. If somebody purchases those shoes, we send the $15 to the person on AliExpress, and then whatever is left over, we pocket. So you can do the same thing, and again, it's called drop servicing. So what you can do is you can come over here to sites like Fiverr.com, and what you can do here is you can do Google My Business Optimization or Google My Business, and you will actually see different people on here who will actually offer this service that will actually help to create the actual business profile and help it rank on Google. So they have different prices here. You have some starting for $10, some of them will start at $35, and so on. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're doing this option that you do your due diligence and you check out the vendor first. Check out their reviews, see everything that they offer before you purchase this service. Now, something else that you also want to do when you're purchasing these services is you want to make sure that it includes citations. In addition to creating the Google profile for the business, that they actually offer citations, and this is just where the actual business will be listed in other places around the web, including sites like Yelp. So you want to make sure that is included as well. And then also, again, if there's an opportunity for you to offer them a new website and things like that, again, come over here to Fiverr, and what you want to do is website creation. Do a search for that, and then you can see different people who are offering services to build websites. So again, even if you don't have the knowledge on how to build a website, you can find people who do. Again, find one of these sellers, and then what you want to do is you want to charge more for the service, so that way you can pocket the rest of the money after you have paid the actual vendor for their services. Now, this is a strategy that I'm not currently doing right now, so if you want to know more about this strategy and how to do it step by step, I'm going to include this video in the description below, and you can watch this full video, and he's going to share with you how you can do this, especially if you want to go the route where you are actually charging for the services, and this is how you're going to be able to earn money with this strategy. So in this video, I shared with you how you can make $100 per day with Google Maps. And even if you don't want to do this process yourself, I shared with you how you can actually outsource this entire process so that way you can still earn money with this. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.